Hello, children. Celebrating festivals. Children, we are living together in the country India, where people follow different customs and religions. Living together encourages us to celebrate festivals together. Festivals are happy occasions. We celebrate them with our family, friends, neighbors, and relatives. We wish each other and exchange sweets or gifts. We have lots of fun on festive days. We celebrate many religious, harvest, and national festivals together. Let us discuss the religious festivals first. Diwali, the festival of lights, is one of the most important festivals that is celebrated throughout the country. On this day, Lakshmi Puja is performed. It marks the return of Lord Rama to his home Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Exile is Vanvas. Okay? So people decorate their houses with diyas and candles on this day. Eid. Eid is the festival celebrated after the month of fasting called Ramzan. People celebrate Eid after seeing the moon in the sky. Men pray together in mosque. Mosque is masjid, and wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called sevai is cooked. People give money and clothes to the poor and needy people. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People wear new clothes, go to Gurdwara and pray to the Guru Granth Sahib. Gurdwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. On this day, processions are taken out. Processions here means a line of people moving forward in an organized manner as a part of celebration. Means they walk in line, they sit in line, they eat together. So everything happens in organized manner. So on this day, processions are taken out, langar is organized, and Kada Prasad is distributed. Kada Prasad, you must be knowing, children, that delicious halwa you get. Okay? Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on the 25th of December. His birthday is celebrated as Christmas. People go to church to pray. They decorate Christmas tree and eat cakes. The children believe that Santa Claus will visit their homes and give them gifts. Next is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and beginning of summer season. On the first day, that is Holi Eve, people gather around a huge bonfire and pray to God. On the second day, they throw colors on one another. They apply gulal and spray colored water on each other. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are the Thanksgiving celebrations for the successfully cutting of the food grown on the land. Means इन फेस्टिवल्स में लोग सूरज, बारिश और खेती में काम आने वाले जानवरों को धन्यवाद करते हैं और उत्सव मनाते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हीं की वजह से वो खेती कर पाए और अनाज की कटाई हो रही है. सो इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स विद डिफरेंट नेम्स. लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. पोंगल. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People thank sun, rain, and farm animals that help in the harvest. They decorate their houses. They cook rice with jaggery, gur, and milk and offer it to the sun god. They decorate their houses with kolam. Kolam is rangoli made from rice powder. Next is Onam. It is celebrated in Kerala. It lasts for 10 days. People decorate their houses, boat races are held, and special boats called snake boats take part in these races. Next is Bihu. Magh Bihu is a harvest festival celebrated in Assam, and it marks the end of the harvesting season in the region. On the eve of Magh Bihu, people build makeshift huts known as meji from bamboo and leaves. The meji is then burned the next morning and the ashes are scattered in the farms. National festivals. Some days are special for the whole country. These are called national festivals. In India, we celebrate three national festivals. Let us see. First is Independence Day. Our country got freedom on the 15th of August 1947. So every year on this day, we celebrate our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the people. We celebrate this day with great pride. Republic Day. It is celebrated every year on the 26th of January. The President unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of the parade at Rajpath in New Delhi. Children and people from different states participate in the parade and other cultural activities. Last is Gandhi Jayanti. Many people struggled and sacrificed their lives to achieve freedom for the country. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi's work was of extreme importance. His birthday falls on the 2nd of October, so this day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Like we celebrated Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday on 14th November as Children's Day. By celebrating these festivals, love and togetherness in the family increases. We get to learn many new things. It increases the feeling of unity in society and it increases happiness in life. So let's celebrate the unity and happiness together. Thank you.